Well, good morning. Got a quick update on the Cabin in the Woods project. Haven't filmed this much, but we've only been out here one more time since I filmed it last. But I've got my tractor out here and we blew the rim off of it, so I'm actually driving through today just to get the tire off so I can get it repaired. And then we're going to see if we can get all the windows and doors measured up so we can get those ordered. As you can see, we took the what used to be a front porch. We got it covered up in zip ply. The plywood that we put down in there was starting to get dark because the rain was blowing in. And we also fixed the top. There wasn't a roof cap from about here to there, so rain was coming in through there, so we got it fixed up. I couldn't put the last piece on of the plywood because the entry door is right there, so we would have had no way to get in the house. But like I said, next trip we plan on doing the doors and stuff, and I believe this window right here is going to be the new front door. And we didn't fully get it plywood, we still got the top here to do. And I chose this zip ply because it's basically waterproof. There's a black tape you put on it, and you can, I mean, theoretically you can let it sit for a year without getting rot. But I think if you look at the 2x4s here, you can see some darkness from it sitting out in the weather. So I'm gonna have to spray some bleach on all this stuff to get it right. But let me show you inside real quick because it shows where the windows are, because I didn't cut the holes out. So this room is going to be a combination bedroom and a bathroom. And the bathroom, you can see the shower pan there. So from where that is, we're going to take a wall all the way down, and that'll be combination bathroom, laundry. We use this washing machine for clothes. It's actually a one-piece unit. It's an RV unit, but it'll wash it and dry it, and it's about the size of a dishwasher. So that'll be under counter in the cabinets here. Window wise, we've got one window that'll add light but privacy up high, 3 foot by 1 foot. That's it's actually going to straddle between the shower and the toilet. So we're going to take the shower material and take it out past where the toilet is, have it all waterproof wall, and then where the vanity is, I've got another light over here. And then going into the bedroom, this is kind of my idea, but these are my zombie windows. So when the zombies come, I got 2 directions I can shoot them. I'm going to put a horizontal slider in each one. I'm kind of joking about that, but this bedroom is big enough where we can put a pie-shaped table here and a couple of chairs and sit and drink coffee and look outside, which I think will be cool. But progress, like I said, finally made a little bit of progress out of sitting for several months. And I'll keep posting as we get new info, but next one should be physically installing the windows and doors on it. All right, y'all take care.